Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special unboxing. As you can see from the background, you could actually probably guess what it is. So this is the Chanel number 5 or Chanel number 5 Factory capsule collection. So as you can see, we have a few items here. Also here. I'm gonna try to go through them one by one. So the most obvious is probably the most popular piece, which is the Chanel water bottle. So just a little overview of what it looks like. You have the Chanel number 5 L'eau or water, Chanel Paris on the front, and on the bottom it has, let me see if it focuses. It has like 500 ml contain, and on the top it has the cc and the tag right there. This is in glass and rubber. So we have here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I actually have another one, but I already shipped it to one of the buyer that bought from me on the group. So that is the most popular piece, which is the Chanel water bottle. Everyone is like debating on like the pricing of this, that it's too steep. But if you're comparing it to the Prada or the Fendi, and there's also like a Chanel bottle. I'm not sure what it was made, but it's from the like bags and like the usual Chanel collection, and it was like thousands of euros. So this is they sell them. And here you have the like bag nets, or no, nets, that is a bag, like sort of shopping bag. I reversed it because you have the tag in here, but this is on reverse. So you put this on the inside. So I have 3 pieces of that, the shopping bags. Here we have the box that came in because I ordered some of this from a different city. This is a bigger shopping bag that has a camellia in it. And so here is the packaging. They come in an envelope, and as you can see here, they have like different stickers. So you have Chanel Firenze, and then Chanel Roma. This is also from Chanel Roma, and another one from Chanel Firenze. And these are the receipts. So I have a few of them because I picked them up different times and different cities. So we're moving to the perfume samples and other items. Also, this is the mystery box, sort of like cone shaped, made of paper, and this is what it contains. We have the dust bag, which is the Chanel number 5. It's a drawstring cloth dust bag. And here is the hand cream. Actually, this is the one that I'm probably mostly gonna keep. And maybe 2 of this. The rest, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. This is the nail clipper. Oh no, nail, I don't know what you call this. Shaver? No. Oh yeah, that is for the nails, and it has the CC, and I think this is made of glass actually. So you have the CC logo there, and it has the container or dust bag, I don't know. And this is the towel. So if you take it out and then put water in it, it's gonna like like puff out. And here we have the cutest little Chanel number 5 sample perfumes. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the blue or the white one, and then this is the Parfum with the Parfum, which is the yellow one. They're the cutest. I think this is really nice to collect. So these are just samples that they gave you, and this you can buy this with the cone shaped packaging, and this is the refills for the perfume. I'm not sure if I actually want the mini perfume, because I have the container already. And here we have 2 candles, so Chanel candles. These are also freebies. These are actually, you have to purchase them. And let me see, these are 7 ml 3 times 3, and this is 1.5 ml. So yeah, those are on sale. I mean, you have to purchase them, and these are for free. And the candles, you have the Chanel candles, 10 pieces of Chanel candles, and this is like to put on the cupcake or something. A toothpick with a Chanel thingy. So cupcake toppers. And here are some other samples that my essay gave me. They're not part of the Chanel number 5 factory. And this is like a foundation tester. So, and this is the boy, I think cream, face cream, and then some perfumes. And this is the box actually that one of the packaged from Florence. It came with this really nice box. It's not magnetic as the bags box, but it's very sturdy, very nice and sturdy. So that is it. I think we've covered everything. I wasn't really keen on like purchasing the other items like the bath tablets and the gel. I think they're too expensive for what they are, but I can justify the bottles because I mean you can put them in the fridge and, you know, like put water and everyone can like drink from the bottle instead of putting it in plastic. So that would be really cool. Imagine if you stack them like each on the fridge, and it's all Chanel bottles. And hand cream I'm definitely gonna keep, but the other items and those, I think maybe 2 of them I'm gonna keep as like for collection. They're really cute, but the rest not really interested. Even the nets, I'm thinking of maybe just keeping 1. So if you guys are interested, send me a DM. I'm not gonna try and respond on the comment section unless, you know, it's just for comments, not for inquiries about purchasing. So I hope you guys like this video, and let me know if you got something from the collection, and I would definitely love to hear what you guys think of this collection. Is it all hyped, or is it actually a really good, or, you know, a collection not to be missed? So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao guys.